Today you will learn how to copy the content of the demos here in SiteBuilder for PrestaShop in order to use them on your own website. For example, here I want to copy one of the examples, one of the structures here. So the only thing you have to do is go to demos. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. So for example, I have this demo open and this one and this one, and I like so much this structure because it's similar to the thing I want to do. So I just have to click on editor. You will get here these buttons, say copy. Just click on copy, it's a copied. So I go to my own page. In this case, I'm editing the home page. I am at the bottom, so just click here on the plus button, right button on your mouse, paste from another website, and Control V or Command V if you have Mac, and this will paste exactly the same of the original. Okay, just a bit different, okay, because we have the content here and you have the demo content here, so I have to fill this. Okay, for example, I have to put my own image here. In this case I will use, for example, this one, and I can change this and put it like I want it. So I just have to fill something here in the bottom. Yeah, that's all. So I can put it wherever I want. Okay, that's one example. I could do the same. For example, this, I can copy this. Sorry, it's in the bottom. Okay, and in my case, I'm going to publish this. I have the footer here, so no, here. So I can paste this here. The same, I do the same, and I get the content. Of course, I have to change it. In fact, I was using this just today, and I converted it into this. So it is so quick and so easy. If you have any question, you can write down below in the comments. And if you don't have the SiteBuilder yet, you can buy it from the affiliate link you have in the description of this video, so you help me to make more videos like this. Thanks so much and hope you like it.